What's your last name, sir? Mister?
Biswas, BISWAS.
Waswas. So upon check-in, just give this one to the reception.
Sure. Thank you.
So we have arrived to Atlantis Farm, and this is not enough, guys. We have an Imperial Club room, which is a premium access to Imperial Club, and we have extra luxury, have a VIP check-in. We are going towards the VIP check-in now. So you can see this part, which is for the normal common rooms, but for us we have a VIP check-in, which is called Royal Majlis. This is Royal Majlis, and we are going inside for VIP check-in.
Okay, so finally you reached.
Yes, we are waiting for a check-in.
Room is not ready, but Mario is here who is going to show us what to do, where we can sit around, relax, what are the other parts of this beautiful property Atlantis. So Mario, please, we are all yours
First
now.
we have Imperial Club room, so that's like a VIP access to Imperial Club, where we can chill and have our refreshments and everything till our room is ready.
Correct.
Here in the main lobby, there is one sculpture that I would like to introduce you, which is this is the Chihuli sculpture. So this sculpture is made of 3,000 pieces of glass, which is handmade for 3 years. It represents the source energy of Atlantis, where the water meets the fire. And then on the wall, you can see we have 8 paintings. Those paintings is represent the 4 elements of life and also the 4 seasons of the year. Okay. Now in this hotel, we have 1,548 rooms divided into 2 towers. This side is the East Tower, and on the other side we have West Tower. What's the difference? Here on the east, you will find most of the restaurant and the shops, as well as the aquarium, lost chamber, and the water park. While on the west side, we have our Swiki Spa and Fitness, as well as the conference center for all the meetings and wedding party. We also have a family pool, and also the Imperial Club beach, which is a separate beach only for the Imperial guests and suite guests like you.
Okay.
Allow me to walk you down now to the Imperial Club. It's all free access for you. Just to show your room now.
Everyday access we have.
Or swimming with a dolphin. We have our colleague in resort booking private. And this is the first our aquarium, the Ambassador Lagoon. We have over 64,000 fishes. This is the Imperial Club Lounge. Next to the Oceano, which is our Mediterranean fine dining restaurant. We just won the Michelin star restaurant. Yeah. Between 7 to 11, you can have a breakfast. And then 3 o'clock until 5 o'clock in the afternoon will be the afternoon tea for you. And 5 p.m. until 7 p.m. is the happy hour, complimentary cocktail, drinks, and everything. And then apart from this timing, we always serve you light snacks, fruits, and also juices and coffee.
Our room is getting ready, और in the meanwhile हम लोग Imperial Club Lounge में बैठे हुए हैं. Basically we can, if you have a Imperial Club room, you can access to this lounge from morning till evening. There are different things that happens here. ब्रेकफास्ट हम लोगों का कॉमन जहाँ पे लोगों का साथ होता है वहाँ पे नहीं होगा. ब्रेकफास्ट भी हमारा यहाँ पे होगा. We can come for afternoon refreshments also anytime, and during the evening hours we have like unlimited cocktails, so we can enjoy cocktails. And this is not just one room, it has different parts, बहुत ही बड़ा है. You can there's a terrace also. You can sit outdoor, indoor, different corners, different sides and enjoy. So हम लोग अभी खा रहे हैं रिफ्रेशमेंट.
Yes, the snacking is going on. I got my popcorn. I'm so happy about it.
सो हम लोगों के पास हम लोगों ने लंच नहीं किया था, तो हम सोच रहे थे कि कहीं रेस्टोरेंट में लंच करेंगे, बट उसकी भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी बिकॉज हम लोगों को इधर ही एक्सेस मिल गया.
Okay, finally got our key cards. We are on the 13th floor of this 22 rise building. They said कि ऊपर के wings में construction चल रहा है, so there would be a lot of noise from 10 to 6. So they are giving us a 13th floor. We are not even sure view कौन सा होगा. देवश्री क्या होगा?
See from Palm, Atlantis Palm.
Palm view होगा या ocean view?
Ocean view is also palm. It has the ocean and palm mix.
Okay.
So let's
So it's a surprise. Devashri, now out to you.
Imperial.
443.
So Imperial Club rooms 443.
Yeah, 13443.
4.
Yes, yes, same straight. Go. Same straight. Go.
Around 443. ये है हमारा रूम इन अटलांटिस पाम. फर्स्ट वॉशरूम. Oh my god. Look at the tub, guys. It's so aesthetic and so chic. यहाँ पे टॉयलेट्स है, यहाँ पे शावर एरिया है. ये रहा. Let's go and see the room. And this is our bed. यहाँ पे क्यूट सा सिटिंग एरिया है. You want to check out the view? Look at the view. Oh my god. यहाँ से ब्रुज अल अरब भी दिख रहा है. If you zoom, that's Burj Al Arab. So it's like a ocean view. Like you can see the entire ocean, and you can see the Atlantis palms, the other building. Let me show you the hidden part, which is a surprise, totally surprise. Come. Ooh. So this is our tub. Like if you open it, it becomes a part of the entire bedroom. Wow, this is stunning, isn't it?